we are back in the car, heading to Bishop from Big Pine, Highway 395, Eastern Sierras. My daughter home? Yep, she's home. I put my headband on. I make these scarves and matching headbands. I got a bunch of these headbands made. I need to make more matching scarves. But when I took Max for a walk, my ears were really cold. So I'm going to try to start making beanies. I haven't really made hats before, mostly just scarves and the ear warmer headbands. So I do put them on our local for sale or trade, and maybe I'll do a little video with them. I can ship these. I don't mind shipping these. I just don't like shipping my candles just for weight purposes, and that's a whole nother level of shipping. But anyway, if you like these, I'll show you. I'll do a little video later. I started making these and wearing them when I had my hair longer, and I would put it in like a messy bun, and that was really cute. Well, then I was losing so much hair with my medication that I went ahead and cut my hair. I cut it because I did hair for 30 years, so I always cut my own hair. But yeah, so I just been trying to figure out ways to wear them since my hair's been shorter, and it's actually getting a little easier because it's growing out a little bit. And I think I'm gonna let it keep growing now, so that maybe come next summer I can put it up in a messy bun again when it gets hot. But anyway, we are running to the grocery store. Got my steering wheel warmer on, feels good. With that, I don't really need my gloves. I'm cooking some chicken soup today. I was gonna do minestrone, but I forgot a few of the items. What is that cow eating? Cow's eating a piece of cardboard. That's weird. Squirrel. Yeah, I didn't have everything I needed for the minestrone, so I decided I had everything for chicken noodle soup and some good French bread. So what I did was, just to save a little bit of time, I went ahead and roasted. I had bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. So I roasted those this morning, and now I've got them just resting. And in my crock pot, I put a bag of, some of it was still frozen because I took it out of the freezer, of some turkey stock I made with our turkey carcass. So I'm just going to make a nice chicken noodle soup for dinner. I've got carrots, onions, celery. When I get home, I'll saute all that. I'll probably bring you guys along with me in the kitchen today. I did not feel good at all yesterday, but I feel much better today. My throat hurt yesterday. I just felt kind of blah and icky. I'm on my 7 days off of my medication, but still it accumulates, so that could have something to do with it. Maybe I picked up a little something, I don't know. Might have just overdid it. We went to Ridgecrest the day before, grocery shopping, little shopping at Walmart, and a little bit for some yarn for me at Joann's. And it was a fun day. The weather was gorgeous. It was a great day to travel. But I might have overdone it a little bit. That might be why I was a little bit tired yesterday. So I did clean up my craft room yesterday. I still haven't gotten to my bills. A lot of them are automatic, but some of it is just, reconciling, my register and everything. And I hate to do it. Paperwork is just like one of my least favorite things to do. So I will do it, probably not today, but I've got the whole 2 next days that it's supposed to rain here, and I won't go anywhere. So I'll get it done. But yeah, so anyway, I digressed a little bit there. But yeah, I'm going to make some chicken noodle soup. But I needed a couple things from the grocery outlet for the week, a few lunch snacks for my husband. They're going to have a busy week. He's the fleet maintenance superintendent in Mammoth. So they take care of, run, and maintain all of the snow removal equipment, the plows, the snow blowers, anything that has to do with snow removal and heavy equipment, he's in charge of. So they're going to have a busy at least 3 days before this storm breaks. But we really need the snow. We need the snowpack in the Sierras. My find your lovely children. A lot of cute stuff in here. Dishcloths. Morning. If it includes mountains, coffee, or campfires, count me in. Oh, that is so cute. I need that for my trailer. Buy myself a gift, huh? Campers live here. These are cute. Lots of cute stuff. Sleep under the stars. Oh, these are adorable. Definitely. Look at that. That's a moose theme. Got mooses in my kitchen. Is it okay if I vlog in here? Can I vlog in here? Okay, for my channel, so I could just show all my followers your store. I love all this camping stuff. So cute. Look at all this. Everything matches the theme for my trailer that I'm waiting for. Okay, let's get on with what we came for. But anyway, yep, if you're in the Bishop area, you need to stop at Anne Marie's. Pick up some goodies. Getting colder, the wind is coming in. Just got done at Anne Marie's, so I hope you enjoyed the little tour of that store. It's such a cute little boutique. It's been here for years. So now I'm off to, you know, I'm kind of hungry. I didn't eat any breakfast, so you guys can probably guess. I think I'll go get a little bit of Taco Bell. Just something kind of light to eat real quick before I go into the grocery outlet, get my shopping done, and then get home. Because, yeah, that wind is coming up. The clouds are socking in, and the storms are coming. All right, we got Vaughn's done. Whew. It was crowded in there. I waited longer in line just at Vaughn's than I think I took me to get everything I needed to get at the grocery outlet. And I only had 2 things. And I finally remembered to turn orient my phone this way when I put it in here. I just put it in my holder this way like I do if I'm not filming, and then I forget when I'm filming not to do that I need to orient it this direction. So sorry about that. So yeah, thanks for riding with me today. I'm not sure if I'll bring you in the kitchen or not. It just depends.